Hey internet, welcome to my channel. Today we are in our onesie, we are cozy, it is gloomy outside, and you know what that means. It is time for the fall Fab Fit Fun box. I don't know whose creative genius was it to put literally this giant ass sticker right on top of where they promote their brand, but kind of upsets me because I love the aesthetic of this box, and I would have kept it if they didn't do that. Usually they put it on like the side or something, or it's way smaller. I don't know why. Now my thumbnail is gonna be crap because of it, but it's a tinier box for this season, and I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit bigger. There is one thing that I'm hoping is in here, which by the size of this box, I don't think it's gonna be, but we got some cute little pumpkins and I don't know, pomegranates. Those come out in fall apparently. But let's open it up. Not gonna lie, I already opened it, but I only took out one thing, and I'll show that thing eventually because I needed it. And oh, also I want to say, if you watch my Revlon video, I used a different setting on the curling wand, and this is the higher setting that I said I was gonna do, like the Hollywood setting. I don't know if I'm a fan. It's a little bit poofier than I'd like it. I like it when it's a little bit tighter, but I don't know. Anyways, okay, let's get into this box. It doesn't even have tissue paper. I noticed that. See how it's like, usually there's like tissue paper and like a sticker. I don't know, I guess they're trying to be a little more economically friendly, but like still, there's still paper in it, but I guess this is recyclable. I'll put it in the recycling. And right on the top again, we usually have the magazine, the Fab Fit Fun magazine. These are always fun to read after the fact if you don't want to ruin anything before, but I will be reading that eventually. And then you have your free things that they usually give you. I think we figured out in the last video that this is not applicable to Canada, so I'm just gonna throw that away, and that was the wine thing. This one is, oh, and this is something that I've kind of been meaning to do, is they give you like a free box. They're like not the entire box, they're like little starter kit boxes, but also this one's a $15 off the first box. So if you want to use this code, I'm going to cover it so that not everyone could use it. Look in the description below, you can get 15% off of your first box. And then this is the usual HelloFresh 80% off that they usually give you. I want to try this eventually because I just sometimes I can't think of things to make, and I'm kind of weird where I make something and then I'll like it for like 2 days and then I will literally hate it so bad that I will gag as I'm eating it. And I don't know if that's TMI, but like, I don't know, it's just me. But this subscription service is a meal service that gives you meals every single week. I think you can change it based on how much you use it. You can actually see Mika back there. Hee say hi, baby. She's like, what's going on? Yeah, but I definitely want to try this in the future, and if I do, I'll definitely do a video on it. But let's reach into the box and see what we got. First thing I'm seeing is this Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. I think this is for your hair. It's like a pretty big size, actually. It is a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair, which is kind of what I need right now because I did dye it pretty recently and it's a little bit frazzly. Let's see if it has a nice smell. It's cracked at the top. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. I was gonna like give it to you to smell it. Here, smell it. But yeah, no. It smells like salons. Yeah, I'll definitely be trying this. Applied from the ends to scalp, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. It doesn't say if your hair has to be wet though, but I'll definitely try it both ways to see if it works. I've been definitely kind of looking for a repair thing, and it says color safe, which is always really good because you never know when you're going to try something and it's just going to ruin your color. So the next thing I'm going to pull out here is another cream. I love getting creams. Oh, this is a cleansing cream, so I guess this is a face cleanser. This one is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whip Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. You can see that there. Let's see, I'm gonna open it up, see if it has a smell. This is a face like, did I clarify that or not? Gentle, oh, it's a makeup remover. Suitable for all skin types. Yeah, we'll see about that. I have very sensitive skin. Ooh, oh my god, that smells so good. I'm gonna break it. I just want to smell it better, but it's not opening. But yeah, it smells really, really nice. I'll definitely try this as well, especially since it says it's good for all skin types. Wipe gently on skin and circular motions for 60 seconds. Wipe with a wet face cloth or face sponge. I don't know if it's just a makeup remover, but either way, I'll try it out and see how it works. It's nice to get a face cleanser instead of like, they always give you just body creams, and like, I swear I have a million, but like, I like them, but I swear they always give you a body cream. Something that looks interesting in here that I wanted to pull out is this little box here. It looks like a little milk box. It says Glow Milk, nourished with coconut oil and argan oil, illuminating milk for face and body. I don't know what that. Let's open it up and see. Oh my god, a little happy face. Yeah. Let me open this up. I don't want to ruin this box. It's so cute. Ooh, it's so tiny, guy. Oh, what the heck? What is this? Is this like a shimmer? It kind of looks like a shimmery product. Nourishing coconut oil. Illuminating milk. What does that even mean? Milk. Milk, shake it up. Oh my god, it's by PETA. Or it says PETA cruelty free. It's not by PETA, is it? Okay, let's read this because I'm kind of confused. Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid. Oh, it's a highlighter. Enriched with coconut milk, Glow Milk hydrates while it illuminates the skin. Achieve a healthy, luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on high points of your face and collarbone. You know what? I'm gonna swatch this because let me milk shake it up. Is Miki back there again? Hey, baby. Miki, you want some? Okay, it's in a dropper, which I expected. Oh my god, I'm afraid I'm gonna like drip it everywhere. Okay. So there it is there. Let's see. Ooh. Sparkly. Okay, yeah. Okay, I like this. Wow, that's really freaking pretty. I don't know if you could see it. My light is really bright. But it's very, very shimmery and sparkly, and it makes you look like tanned. This would look so good on a tan. Oh my god. Okay, I like this product a lot. And I might have to actually buy this again. Glow Milk, if you want to know what it is. Okay, let's move on. Something I'm seeing in here that I'm really excited about because we all stress right now is, oh, it's a hair oil. I thought it was like a essential oil, but it says stress reliever natural hair oil. It's gonna fall. I cannot read the brand, but here's the product here. It's in another dropper bottle. I cannot read what the brand is, but it says RX stress reliever. I definitely have to smell this because if it smells like lavender, I'm happy. Because if you know me, you know I love lavender smells. I'm gonna break my nail opening this. What's for you? Ooh, the bottle is matte. Wow, so smooth. So it says, direction, use on fingers and apply to scalp and hair. Massage lightly, shampoo and rinse 1 hour later. I'm confused. But anyways, let's smell it. Is it supposed to like get into your brain and then it relieves your stress? Because I'm down if it does. if I'm a fan of that. I don't know. This I might not try. We'll see. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Like if it's something, a hair product is called stress reliever and it doesn't smell like lavender, that confuses me. Like it doesn't say like it's supposed to do this. I mean, I guess I'll try it once, but it's like the first thing like I'm not impressed by. Okay, let's take out this because this is like the one thing I know I picked, because you can pick certain things from the Fab Fit Fun box. This I'm excited for is a hair removal product, and I don't know what the one is that there's one that was on Amazon that was it's on like it's at the like as seen on TV stores. So what this one is it's one of those ones, I bet it doesn't come with batteries, but it's one of those ones that like, it's like a machine. I'll show it to you. Oh, it does have batteries. Yeah, I'm excited. So this is how it looks. Sorry, it's called Glossmetics. There's the box there. I love the rose gold on it. Everything in here is very fall and cute. So here's the actual product. It kind of looks very, oh my god. That's my alarm. So here's the product. It actually looks pretty phallic if you ask me. But let's put in the battery. And I don't know if I'll try it on camera because it's a little weird. But it's meant to like, some people they like razor their face like around here to get like peach fuzz off, but you can do it around your lip and on your face. I think you could, you know what, I might even just try it on my leg. I'm not gonna show you because my legs are pretty hairy, but okay, so I got the battery in. So I don't know if you can hear that, but it's going off right now. And you know what, I'm gonna try it on my arm. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's working. What the fuck is that? There was like a sticker or something on it that came off and I was like, oh my god, did that just take my skin off? I guess I should have read the instructions first, but you can definitely see that it took off, where did I do it? Right here. You can definitely tell it took off hair from my arm. Hold on, let me zoom. Can you see? Right here? Was it right here? Yeah, right here. But yeah, it definitely works. I'm definitely gonna be using this. It was one of the things I was really excited about. It's more for your face, I think. Let me see what the instruction says. It's French. Oh, it shows you how to clean it and everything. Yeah, it doesn't say it's for any specific area, but yeah, it's a hair removal product and I'm gonna use it, and I'm excited to have one because I was considering buying that one that was for like, that was going around on the As Seen for TV site, but I didn't end up getting it. It was actually at like Bed Bath & Beyond too, and it was always on sale, but I didn't buy it, so now I'm glad I have this. Hold on. Oops. Miki, do you want me to use the hair removal on you? No, she doesn't. Okay, so I have 3 more things. I'm going to show you the thing that I took out. This is, you can see it right here. This is the case for it that it came in. So these are blue light glasses. And I already have a pair of blue light glasses, but they're not cute. And these ones were really cute. The only thing I don't like about these is, see, look at how like much it's spaced out there. They are incredibly stiff to open. Like when I open it, look at how when I open it, it looks like it's gonna snap in half. So I have to like do it like super carefully or I feel like it's gonna snap. That's the only thing I can say about these. Otherwise, they are very cute. Ow, I just poked myself in the eye. As you can see, yeah, they're way cuter than my other ones. You can see my light in there. Maybe if I move back. Yeah, they're way better than the ones that I already have. I don't know, they're good because half the time I spend, I'm either watching TV or I'm on my phone or I'm trying to get the light out. But yeah, they're really good for helping you sleep if you have problems due to blue light. Blue light is basically any screen has blue light on it, and these protect your eyes from it. And I got LASIK eye surgery last December, and if anything I want to do is protect my eyes from the very expensive surgery that I did, that yeah, I wanted these for sure. But let me just take them off so you don't see the light. And look, I'm trying to like fold it in, and it's like literally like so hard. I don't even want to do it. I just leave them open. But anyways, other than that, they're cute. You can find ones like that on Amazon. So there's something in here that I am super excited when I saw the box. I don't know what it is, but all I saw was pumpkin spice and I got really excited. This is a big box. Oh, it says Petty in a box. Deluxe 4-step. Includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits. Ooh, I really freaking need that right now. I could have used this during like actual lockdown. Like now most things are open and I've gotten like a pedicure once. But this has a sea salt soak, I guess 2 of them, a sugar scrub, a mask. Ooh, I love foot masks. I did one like for the first time and it's so satisfying to like rip your skin off. I know that's gross, but it's amazing. And then a massage butter. I want to look at it. Are they all pumpkin spice smell? So they come in like 2 little sections there. Oh yeah, they're all pumpkin smells. So this is the salt soak. So I guess you just put it in warm water and soak it. So this is literally like, yeah, like a pedicure. Sugar scrub, so you scrub it afterwards, after it's soaked for about 20 minutes. And then the mud mask. Oh, this isn't like the mask that I was thinking of. I was thinking of the mask that you put on the sock and then your foot peels for like a long time. Mine just stopped peeling. And this one is, you apply from foot to lower leg. It doesn't say that your skin is going to peel off, so I'm a little bit sad about that. And then lastly, this is a massage butter, so this probably just smooths everything out. I'll use this for sure. I'm a little bit sad that it's not what I thought it was going to be, but I'm kind of excited that it's all pumpkin smell, so I'll definitely be doing it this month or next month in October. Actually, I'm going away at the end of this month, and I might bring these with me and then do them while I'm at the cottage. And last but not least, this is another thing that I chose. This is a backpack, I think. Very small backpack, but I have a lot of small backpacks. So this is by the brand Botker. I don't know how to say it. The top is just a clasp. And then it has these straps that are adjustable. Yeah, this is really cute. You can actually hold it like a purse too. But yeah, this was the last thing that I chose from the box. And that is it for this fall box. I can actually take a picture with this. Might be actually better. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please make sure you subscribe and press the like button down below. I'm going to be coming out with a couple more videos very soon. A couple Disney videos and some other stuff that you may like. And if you want to make sure you don't miss it, hit the subscribe button. And happy fall and stay curious.